Hi students. Today's my topic is about how to calculate average value in the visual form. In my last lecture, I was telling you about how to count the values, distinct values, and here I will let you know about how to uh, uh, find the average value of the data in visual form. I have a data of products here. You see in the last as I converted the count values of product my product names here. I will find the average of the product price. Simple, it's very simple. Just select the whole column like this and go to the value of statistics here and click in average tab on average tab like that, and you will find the average value like this. Simple. How like my as my last lecture. So please, for more videos you may subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you very much.